Hi, my name is Robert Shelley with Shelley Law, and my law firm assists professionals with employment contract and independent contractor agreement issues. Today I'm going to talk about what is a W-2 contract. So, a W-2 is not actually a type of contract, it's an employment classification, and I think many people kind of conflate the two together, but I'm going to kind of walk through what it all means. So, if you are a W-2 employee, it means that you are employed and that you will get a regular salary, taxes will be taken out of it. Most likely the employer is going to provide you with benefits, so health, vision, dental, disability, life, retirement, pay for your professional dues and fees, insurance if necessary, like professional liability insurance if necessary. Whereas if you're a 1099, you're an independent contractor, you'll be responsible for paying all the taxes out of your compensation. You likely won't get any of those benefits. You'll be responsible for providing those for yourself. Insurance, all that kind of stuff would be on you. And so a W-2 employee simply means you are employed, you get a regular salary, taxes are taken out of it, and then at the end of the year, you'll get a W-2 form from the employer, which then you'll use to file your taxes with the state and IRS. Are there benefits of being a W-2 versus an independent contractor? Certainly. I find people who are maybe less proactive about going out and finding insurance and disability and retirement and setting up the LLC and the bank account and all that kind of stuff, having the W-2 employment relationship makes the most sense for them. Especially if you're only, if you're working full-time. The scenarios where I see an employer classify a full-time employee as an independent contractor normally is when they just want to get out of having to pay employment tax on whatever they're paying that person. So keep that in mind, that if you're working full-time for an employer and they're classifying you as an independent contractor, there's a 20-factor test that the IRS has published, and so you can kind of go through that. You just Google that and look at the different factors. But I find in most of those scenarios, the employer is misclassifying the employee as an independent contractor just to get out of having to pay the employment tax. So keep that in mind. So that's what a W-2 contract is you are a W-2 employee, and then you will have an employment contract where you are then paid a regular salary and then receive a W-2 at the end of the year. So hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact my law firm at the phone number listed below in the description. You can reach us through our website listed below as well. And I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.